session. If you want to write something, some information that you got out of it, so you should use the text box that is there in insert. Okay, in insert, there is an element called text box. You can take this one and you can write whatever you want over here. Like whatever you got the insights regarding ratings, actually, what were the insights? Better rating. Okay. You can increase the size of it. Simply go over here. Okay. Choose the size that you want. Like this. Okay. Regarding a rating, better rating in case of restaurants having online facility and book order. Whatever you got out. Please mute your audio. Okay, so whatever you are getting out of it, after doing the analysis, whatever you are getting in out as an insight out of it, you have to write it over in the in this text box. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Is there any doubt? Please respond whether you are having any doubts or not. If not, please say no. If yes, please ask the doubt.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, so regarding buttons, you can make some buttons so that you can move to some pages and all. Okay, so for that, choose this button option. Here it will show you some, shapes and some buttons and all. I'm choosing this blank one. Okay. Right. Now I will drag it. Like I will choose this one. Okay. I can drag it like this. Okay. And if I want to change the shape of it, I have to select this particular button, go to shape option. Okay. There, by default, it is in rectangular shape. If I want to change the shape to any other thing like right triangle or anything that is required, like rounded rectangle if I want. Okay. I can do that thing, or any other thing like hexagon. Okay. This one I'm choosing as button. Okay. Now that was regarding the shape. Okay, if I want the rounded corner for any visual, I can do like this. I can there is an option like rounded corners. I can make the sharp corners as rounded one. Okay, like this. Okay, that was regarding the shape. You check out other things like a slant options there. Okay. And if you want to rotate it, that also can be done like this. Okay. And in style, actually, you can put some text for it, like what actually it means, for what it should be used. In our, laptop or desktop computer, we are having the names of some keys. I mean, whatever keys we are using, their respective name will be there on the button, right? Whatever buttons in our keypad is there, they are having some names. Similarly, here also we can put some text on these buttons. So for that, go to style, there is an option called text. Make it on. Okay, then you can write over there. Like I am using this button for page navigation. So I will write like page 1. If I want to move to page 1, okay. And I can increase the size of it so that it is somewhat more visible. Okay, like this. Bold, color, anything that is required, we can do it according to our wish. Okay. So if we want to fill some color into it, that also can be done. Okay, if I want some light color like this. Okay, or any, if the border is already on, if we want to put some shadow effect or some glow effect, okay, all those things can be done. Whatever beautification we need to do, we want to do, that can be done. Please mute your audio. Ibrahim? Ibrahim? Ibrahim, mute your audio. Okay. So this is the button. Okay. Now, if you want to put some action, like if I'm clicking it, if it is not moving to page one, right? So in order to make it to move to page one, what I should do is I have to make this action on. Okay. Then here, they will ask which kind of action I want to perform. So in type, I have to click the drop down. Then there is an option called page navigation. When I will choose that one, they will ask which destination you want. Okay, when I will click on it, I can see every page, okay, in this particular project. Okay, so I will choose this page one only. Okay, now when I will click it, everything is done. Okay, now when I will click it, I am not able to move to page one. Okay, what is the reason? You have to click on control. The control button in your, keyboard needed to be actually selected. And after that, when you will click over it, it is moving to page one. Okay, this is how we can do page navigation, right? And similar page, buttons we can make out of it simply by doing Control C, Control V. Okay, like this. Six pages are there, right? So now I will change the names of these pages. Okay, go to style there. Instead of page one, write page two and change the destination in actions. Okay, in actions, you need to change the destination, right? Now, in case of this one, change it as page three. Okay, and in style, write it as page two, page three. Okay, here also in the similar way, write page 4 and in action, choose page 4. Page 5. Okay, here, page 6. Right? Now, when you will press Control button and you are selecting this page 2, you can move to page 2, right? Similarly, I'm clicking page 3, but it is not moving to page 3. What is the reason, guys? All of you. Are you all sleeping?
Yeah, to press the
Yeah, you were saying something.
we have to press the control button, then the
Correct.
enter.
Correct, Kavita. Very good. Okay. So you have to press this control button, then click on page 3. Then only it will move to page 3. Okay. Press control button, click on page 4. It will move to page 4. Press control button, click on page 5. It will move to page 5. Okay. Like this, you can proceed. Okay. So now, similarly, in case of image also, You can, using the image, you can actually do this kind of navigation, like you can move to a particular web URL, you can do page navigation, those kind of things you can do. Okay. So, yeah. I'm taking the Zomato image. Okay. Let us put it over here. Okay. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm choosing this. I'm going to choose this Zomato web URL. For that, I need it. So zomato.com. Now select it, Control C. Okay. Simply copy this particular URL. Go to this image. There is an option called action. Okay. Make it on. Okay. In type, they are asking which action you want to perform. Choose this web URL. Okay. Paste the URL over here. Okay. Then it is done. When I'm clicking it, it's not moving to that URL. What is the reason, all of you?
Need to press control button.
Correct. Control, then click. Okay. Now it is moving to this particular URL. So this is how you can navigate, do page navigation, move to a particular web page like that. Actions you can perform. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you having any doubt? Anyone? Okay, so I mean, whatever task you are doing, try to put some insight in text box, okay? And whatever required features are there, whatever required things are there, you please use those things also, okay? To make your, I mean, dashboard look good and interactive, as well as which is giving more insights and all, do all the required things, right? I hope everything is clear. I'm going to close the session. If anybody is having any doubt, they can ask.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello?
No doubt, but I have request. The Zoom meeting is only 40 minutes. Can you extend the time of the
No, it
Zoom
is not
meeting?
possible. Actually, I mean, 40 minutes is the limit. That is the problem. But you can
Okay,
enter through the same link. It is
okay,
a
but can we start? Can we use pin for the presentation in Google Meet?
Google Meet recording option is having some issues. Na? That's why we switched to Zoom meeting. I don't know right now what is the situation. I don't know. Some months ago, it was having some recording issue. Only people who are having, I mean, who are paying for it extra, they can record for it. So it's not a problem actually. I can actually provide this as 2 videos in YouTube. First one will cover all the basic chat, and this one is we mainly discussed about this extra elements in insert option like text box, buttons, and images, right? So a different label will be there. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear, all of you? So I will put it in YouTube and I will send you the link as we have done earlier. Right?
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, bye. At 4 o'clock, there will be a status call. If you're having any doubts regarding the task and all, we can discuss over here. Okay, bye.